mixing all our new Elmer slime kits together.
Yeah, and guys, they're all new. They all say new in the top. Except for... No, they all say new.
Yep.
Guys, Elmer's has new activator. They have the confetti activator, the glow-in-the-dark activator, the crunchy slime activator, metallic activator, and more confetti.
So, like, basically the confetti is in the activator bottle.
This is a slime activator slime kit. This is so cool.
Basically, we're going to mix all these slime kits together and see what happens. Yeah. Look, we have the new glow-in-the-dark slime variety pack.
It's so cool.
It has all the new glow-in-the-dark ones.
Yeah, it does. It has pink and orange.
It has white, pink, blue, purple, orange, and yellow.
Purple and orange and pink, I think, are the new colors.
Yeah. No, pink is new, but no, pink isn't new. These two.
They all say new.
They all say new. Okay, guys, so we have the slime confetti kit, and the confetti is actually an activator.
Yeah.
We'll just go through them when we add them in.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's rock, paper, scissors to see who could pick the first slime kit.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot! No!
Okay, so I want...
No, please don't.
I want the snow slime kit. Okay, guys, so this is the new Elmer Snow Slime Kit. So it looks like it comes with fake snow, ooh, white glue, and clear glue. Okay, let's open this. This is a lot of fingering. How many fake snow packets? 4. Do you want to add in 2, Liz? Okay, guys, so it looks like it has 2 clear glues, 2 white glues, and magical liquid, and 4 snow powders. Let's add in our first slime kit.
I wonder what happens if you add it like this in the snow. Do you think it's gonna make snow?
I'm adding Gizzy's glue for her because she loves the snow. Okay, Izzy, choose the next slime kit.
Okay, I choose crunchy slime. Guys, this is the new crunchy slime kit and it has the new crunchy activator. So excited to see it. How much packaging is this?
Crunchy slime activator.
It has like foam beads in it.
How we...
You were supposed to add the activator.
Oopsie daisy.
Okay, well. That glue.
Oh my god, this is such a thick activator.
Because it's for snow.
Oh, that looks like jelly.
It's because it's for the snow.
Maybe texture thick.
It's for the snow.
Okay, the new Elmer Crunchy Slime Activator. Oh, that's so satisfying. Yeah. Okay, so next I choose the Halloween slime kit. Guys, we used this one the last year. But you know what's crazy? You never really see green glitter glue around.
Yeah.
Like, it's never there. I think they only make it and you have to get it, you have to buy the slime kit.
No, I know there's green glitter, but you never really see it around. Only like Christmas time.
Yeah.
You never really see purple.
What do you mean? You see purple all the time.
No, not really.
Guys, we have little tubes of
This looks
glitter
like
glue.
pumpkin spice.
So let's add in the glue.
Okay. Look how satisfying that is.
Now it's time for the fun part to decorate it. Did you guys hear that?
These are like so hard to get out.
They're not hard.
Another one. Well, that was satisfying. It just like came out at once. Okay. I wonder if this activator is purple.
Wow. Time to add in the activator.
It's not that thick.
Yeah. Maybe it's just for the snow so the slime would be stretchy.
Oh yeah.
Okay, choose the next one.
I choose color changing. This is the box.
It comes with a UV light so you could draw pictures on it.
Okay.
Woohoo! This light.
Here
You want
it is.
blue or yellow?
It doesn't matter.
What's your favorite color? I'm putting it in the middle so we could use the light on it because it probably won't make the whole slime color change it. And I'm just gonna add the activator on the side.
Okay, let's try this.
Oh wow.
Okay, so that turns purple.
That's gonna turn red.
Yeah.
Can I try?
Let me just
Hi. I think it works better once it's mixed up.
Okay, choose.
Okay, so I choose the confetti slime kit. Guys, this has the confetti activator. New confetti activator. I'm so excited to see what it looks like.
Me too.
Oh, whoa.
There's a lot of cardboard.
Yeah, here they all have cardboard over the glue. That was the cardboard over the glue. Whoa. Guys, here's the confetti activator. You can see it has the confetti in it. That's super cool.
Oh, it's really thick. Oh, it's so pretty. This would be so pretty in clear slime.
Maybe that's why it comes with one clear glue. Wow. For a second there, I thought it had foam beads, but it's just because it's next to it.
Okay, I choose this one. It comes with all the activators.
Whoa.
So here's the crunchy activator.
Oh, this is what it looks like, guys.
Metallic activator.
Oh, wow.
Confetti. Glow in the dark. And confetti.
Wow.
Let's add them in.
I'm adding the confetti.
Same. If I can open it.
Oh, I just added it in. And now I'm going to add in the crunchy slime activator. This one's my favorite. It sounds so cool when you squeeze it.
Like, no confetti came out.
Really, Izzy? You cannot blame that on the bottle.
All the confetti is like stuck on the bottom. Okay. Metallic, guys. Okay, I'm gonna pull this here, the clear part.
That's so pretty.
It's like pearl.
It looks like it's really jiggly slime.
I know. Okay, time for the glow in the dark. Hopefully this makes it.
More glow in the dark.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna spread it a lot.
Oh, wow. That looks like the slime.
It does, like the white one.
Yeah.
Okay, now hopefully our slime is glow in the dark.
Okay, guys. So, next I choose the... Oh, I was reading back. The collection slime kit.
You think I have enough activator for a slime?
I don't know. Well, if all of these activators activate all of this, we should have enough, right?
Yeah, but it makes it jiggly. It doesn't really overactivate.
Yeah. Here goes in the blue. Now, for the metallic slime activator.
Okay, hopefully. That was a lot.
They're so fun to spread out.
Okay.
Your glue, the glue.
Oh, you can have it. I did this one. so much.
Celebration slime kit. Make 5 unique slimes. I mean, we're already making a unique slime.
Finally. Oh my god, you never see silver glitter glue.
You never. You need help?
Oh, I got it.
Guys, you like never see this one.
Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 activators.
Come with.
You get the glue.
Okay.
Why does it always come with 2 confetti?
Here's the silver glitter glue. It's so pretty. It looks like a disco ball. Here's the blue metallic. Whoa! Here's the yellow to red color changing. This is the Elmer's glow in the dark blue. And a pink translucent.
This is like so hard to get out.
Do you need help?
No, I want to wear it. No! Oh,
Just trying to help you out.
okay, you add it in first because then I want to do it over that. So I can make it glow in the dark.
Okay. Wow,
Okay,
look at this.
let me
It's like
choose.
rainbow. It's so pretty. Okay, so I choose the glow in the dark slime variety pack. So I can't wait to open this because it comes with the new ones.
Ooh. Do you think it comes with an activator?
No, it doesn't show it. I think it just comes with the glue. Yep, this comes with the glue.
Oh, I thought that was like a different color for a second.
Yay! Look how pretty these are.
That kind of smells like fish. Smell it?
Your ball is like, this is the purple.
Those ones come out so
it's
easy.
so pretty.
They just plop out. Like,
Yeah.
they just plop
This
out.
is the
Like a
orange.
piece of poo. It literally looks like a piece of poo when you squeeze it.
And here's the blue one. I just added one of these in. Oh, that's so pretty.
Okay.
Okay, Izzy, what do you choose?
Okay, let me see. These are both the same.
They are?
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is the new Elmer's Mega Slime.
Ooh, look at this. It's normal activator. This one looks like water. But look at this one.
Did yours have tape on it or something? 'Cause this is
Metallic, color changing, and color changing.
okay, I have 2 color changing. I mean, not color changing, glow. I have, just a pink one. I have clear and I have a blue.
What?
And I have one giant
Look, guys, she has glow in the dark. I have color changing. You have like
a solid pink.
I have metallic, and then I don't have clear glue.
Now, you want to translucent? Okay, so
Well,
let's
it's
add
going
this
into the same slime, so
Yeah, but
these.
our smoothie looks so cool. I wonder what color the slime will turn.
I don't know, but I feel like slime kit glues come out so much easier.
Yeah,
It's like
probably because I've been sitting being in a box for a while.
Look at this one, looks like water. And look, doesn't it? And look, this one has a yellow tint.
Oh, I was just about to say that. Look at the color. This one comes out kind of thick. Oh, and see, this one's more liquidy.
Which one?
The yellow tinted. Wow, look at the liquid on top. It's so pretty. Okay, guys, our last slime kit. The color slime kit.
I think I got some snow in
We
mine.
were the last chosen. Well, last but not least.
Why do teachers say that?
Because when they pick the last kid, they don't want the kid to feel bad. Okay, I'll add in the glue.
Little baby ones.
Blue and green.
I'm trying to add activator everywhere.
Look, New Year's part with all the confetti, Easter part with all the pastels.
And just party.
Parties everywhere else.
Oh, you just ruined the Easter colors.
Well, green grass.
No.
Yeah. Okay, let's mix it up. But what color do you think it's gonna turn?
I don't know. Ooh, look at this.
So we can see
snow.
who's right. Guess a color.
Brown.
Gray. You guys could guess too. Let us know on Instagram.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? I'm just going to do it with my hand.
This is snow.
The snow's under here.
Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of glue. Look at that. I think we have
Wait,
too much
you know what? I
activator.
changed my answer. It's gonna be rainbow because it has activated at the
No,
same time.
you can't change your
Okay, I
activator.
won't change it. But
Did you hear what I said? You can't change your activator.
I know. Wow, look at it. It's so cool. Wow, this looks so amazing. Okay. Wow, look at this yellow.
They're all in like chunks, so it is.
That's why I said rainbow right now. I had no idea it would turn out like this. I thought it would turn out gray. I didn't think it would turn out brown, but gray.
Okay.
Let's turbo mix it in. Look at it.
You're gonna.
What? Don't wipe your boogers on me.
It's activator. Give it.
You're like, it's activator. Ow, your boogers. I said ow.
They're not activator.
I know they're not activator.
Wait, it is activated. It was activated. They're not boogers.
Okay. Whatever you say. What are you?
Come on, work it. Work it.
I'm the one who's mixing, not you. Okay, I think it's almost worked together. Looks like I might be right. Okay, let's work it on the table. Guys, looks like I was right. It's starting to turn gray. Do you see all the confetti at the bottom?
So jiggly.
Wow, I can't believe I was right. I just
Look
guessed
at
gray because usually when we do slime movies, it kind of turns out grayish though. Let's try to make bubbles. I was wondering what was tickling my arm and there's slime on my arm. I was like, oh wow. What? You have glitter on your lip, by the way. No, go look good. Nope, nope.
It's just glitter.
I was kidding, Missy. To see you make that face. Okay, it's ready. Let's make some.
It is a little sticky, but I can't believe that was enough activator.
Yeah. Whoa, let's stretch it. Look how stretchy that is. Woo! Let's see how big the bubbles can get. I think the confetti's popping them really quick, but they can make giant bubbles.
Whoa, what's that?
It makes awesome bubbles. I can't believe how amazing this turned out. Did you expect this, Izzy?
No. And even though it's gray, it still looks rainbow because of the confetti activator and make it so pretty.
I know.
And all the foam beads. What do you think like the snow did anything to the slime?
Yeah. Well, if you feel it, you can kind of see snow. Like the texture is different from a normal slime.
Yeah.
I can't believe we made like a giant confetti slime. Guys, we made a giant confetti, crunchy, snow, glow, color changing slime.
Oh. Cowboy. Oh. Did you guys see that?
Wow.
Our brother Junior in the car, he was singing. Guys, in the car, our brother just randomly started singing. Gonna ride till I can't no more. Got the horses in the back. Horse all gets attached. And then
It was so cute.
Yeah. It's funny, guys, because he's 5, and then
it was so
then
cute.
it just kept saying, "Got the horses in the back."
Yeah, I have it on video. I was sitting in the back, so you could just hear him singing, but it was so cute. Well, I love this slime.
Guys,
I'm gonna
look.
save it.
DIY bracelets. Get some slime. And then swing it around your slime bracelets. And then if you actually let it dry.
You could probably put it around a mannequin wrist, like the mannequin.
Who has one of those?
You could put it around a cup and let it dry.
The person in Friends, remember? He got a mannequin head behind JC Petty's alleys.
Okay, well, bye! It got my head!
It did? Oh, my bad.
Well, bye, guys! Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe.
Wait, I want to try that. I think it's going to like...
Whoa!
Okay, ready? This is gonna stick and it's gonna go down. So hopefully it sticks.
Whoa.
Oh, it didn't. It was so high and then. Why does it stick?
Whoa.